Who is the fastest and the easiest to use gang sheeting tool for DTF transfers on the web? I'm Paul from Demand Prints, and challenge accepted. Let's jump into a demo. All right, we are going to gang sheet 4 pieces of artwork: a circle, a square, a oddly shaped piece of artwork, and a triangle. And that is because we want to have these in different shapes, different sizes, and different quantities, and we want to maximize our savings by gang sheeting so we're not paying for wasted space. So let's start with the circle. Here we go. Drag it out. Let's make this 3 by whatever it happens to be. Let's get 100 of them, and I'm going to add it to cart. We are done gang sheeting our circle. All right, let's continue shopping. Here comes square. Let's leave it at 10 by 10, and let's get 25 of those. All right, add that print to my cart. Okay, we're done gang sheeting our square. Let's continue shopping. Now, let's throw in our oddly shaped artwork, which happens to be odd. This is cheese gun. Let's make this 2 inches by 1.81 inches. It automatically calculates based on aspect ratio. Let's get 150 of those. Add it to my cart. I am done with cheese gun. And lastly, the triangle. There we go. How about we make this 4.5 and let's get 27 of those. I like odd numbers. Add it to cart. Okay. I didn't check the time there, but we're done. That's it. We've just finished gang sheeting. Okay, wait, let me give you a little bit deeper look at that. Why don't we dive back into the demo and see how we actually didn't pay for wasted space and how we actually did, in fact, gang sheet. Okay. To do a good example here, let's look at the triangle. I'm going to drag the triangle out here. And just so it's easier to see, I'll swap the background to a dark background. Now, this little button down here, I'm turning on and off. This is showing you the space that you're paying for. And if I come up here and we look at the actual dimensions, it's 10 by, roughly 10. So this should be about 100 square inches. Now, with most DTF print providers, you would be paying for 100 square inches. That's maximum width times maximum height. That's 10 by 10. That's 100. With Demand Prints, you're only paying for the shape of your artwork. So let's 10 by about 10. Let's put in a quantity of 1, and let's actually see, that's only 75 square inches that you're paying for. Okay, by contrast, here's a square. Now, that is a square, so 10 by 10 would be, in fact, 100. So you're buying a square, so you're paying for a square. But when you're buying a triangle, you're paying for a triangle. So effectively, you're getting the benefits of gang sheeting just by adding your artwork, because we're actually doing the heavy lifting for you of saying, look, this is the shape. It's not a square. We'll charge you for this. Bonus, we get to look at each individual piece of artwork and check the quality based on that piece of artwork. So it helps us do a better job of QAing the files you're sending us. Instead of getting one big sheet with a bunch of stuff, we can look at every piece individually and make sure that it's good. So you're happy. More importantly, your customers are happy, giving you those 5-star reviews that you're looking for. Another benefit, since you're not gang sheeting, in the traditional sense, you're not getting a big roll in the mail that you have to cut. We send all of the prints pre-cut. You just have to pull them out and press them, so you can save time on gang sheeting. You can save time on cutting. And when it arrives, you just pull it out of the package and heat press it and get it to your customer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.